Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my coalistic people, you guys remember our own Mazi, Mazi Ugo. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting for him also. I never knew that he's coming like a dream. The information, media and communication, Biafra Republic government in exile, Mazi Ugo. Congratulations, Mazi. You know that we keep on congratulating them because it is not easy. They say rejoice with them that rejoice. So that is why anytime we see any of them or any of the appointee, we normally bring them here to congratulate them so that you will also follow up to know what is happening. My correalistic people, I want to bring another one again. Biafra Prime Minister, not be joke. If you not strong, not put body. This fighting when e dey ground, so if you not strong, not do wetin, not put body. If you not get double eye, not do wetin, not put body. Una know say something happen all through last week when this matter come wear kafashan, when this matter come wear cockshoe, when this matter call dey waka kiri kerere for everywhere for social media. Say the Biafra government in exile, dem dey lie say dem no get any office for USA. If una dey watch this video very well carefully, una go see say Biafra flag just dey twist up and down, Biafra flag just dey raise, Biafra flag just dey fly. Una go see this Biafra flag. Na Biafra Prime Minister bring this video, let dem know say make dem go do the video again. Say right now dem don tell dem say this office dem don rent am. E be like say na joke. E be like say na joke. Say make dem go back to that particular place again, make dem go make another video. E say we dey tell una say we don acquire this place, una say na lie. So now Mazi Simon Ekpa is giving the open show right now to Pastor Emeka Livingstone, giving him the go ahead to go and make another video right there, right now. Say the Biafra government in exile office don dey invoke, like e don move mountain, and e make people understand say na temporary, but wetin go happen go happen. Una know say that time when be say Pastor Emeka Livingstone come mat, e talk am say e no even see the shadow of Biafra flag, and people tell am say dem no know about anything Biafra or whatever for that place. So right now he don give the go ahead. You know say when the matter come, he say make Pastor Emeka Livingstone go back to that place in 2 months time. Say they go see signs and wonders wey they never see before. But my correalistic people, 2 months is too long. Just within days, they don't make arrangement for that particular place. You can see everywhere that is still the same place that Pastor Emeka Livingstone filmed. When he go there, go make the video, na still the same place, no leave, no transfer, no addition, undiluted. Na be this one una dey see so. The bottom line be say the Biafra Prime Minister don give them the go ahead, say make dem go make another video. Say the place where they see so, that they tell them say na Biafra na be the koko, na their office be this. Biafra government in exile say na their office be this. So make dem go back again. Make dem go make another video, make dem really see whether dem go fit make another video when dem go dey see the flag of Biafra the way e dey fly for this particular video. When I show una go see say Biafra flag dey fly up and down. Una know say Pastor Emeka Livingstone still come out come talk and say if na true say this apartment say Biafra government in exile true say they can't really rent am to dey do Biafra government in exile office. He say he go come out come apologize. But my question na could be say, why all this problem could dey happen? Why all this kata? Why all this wuru? Why all this up and down? Why all this problem? Why we not just focus? Yes, focus on the purpose, on the thing where be say we dey do, instead of they go dey spy one thing or the other, whether it makes sense, it not make sense. May we learn to dey mind our business. In fact, this Biafra when they talk so it too big and it too long. Make everybody they do their own. Any direction when the Biafra come from, people go follow. Make everybody they do their own, so that the people when una say una they fight, they will call they see una again, they laugh and say, hey, see people when see that they fight for Biafra, we know say that they fight themselves. See people where they fight for Biafra, see they want come up from Nigeria, they never feel control themselves in Nigeria, they want break cards. Una they understand me. So anything where person won't do, make it do am, provided make the Biafra come. As I talked before, if this government, republic government in exile, go quickly the coming of Biafra to release Nnamdi Kanu, why people not go support? If tomorrow Pastor Emeka Livingstone na the ball come roll for e front, he go carry am, people go dey see wetin they do, they go dey happy with am, they follow am, make Biafra come, why people not go support am? So Biafran people, make una stop this saga, make una stop this fight. It no make sense. Okay, now person don't go make video, come tell the world, say see wetin Biafra people they plan, they want do Biafra government in exile, this is that. It no good. It no good. E get wetin me go still pass out to the Biafra Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa be say, at times make it they keep some kind of things to himself and the cabinet people. You see some information, the public they no go fit handle am. That one I want thing when I notice, they no go fit handle am. As far as say a lot of people they believe wetin you they do, brother, bros, Mazi, continue. Yes, continue. And most of the times, before we go dey bring societies they come public, may we first of all wash men of little faithful everywhere. Men people did this life where be say some kind things were supposed to come as positive, because of even when he did this word, the thing go negative. Now make you see say a lot of people where they get plan, they keep am. After the plan done matured, this office does stand. This Biafra office, they don't give them everything. In fact, they don't put the tables, they don't push chair. In fact, it's open. It go come like fee for everybody. I know say acts of happiness. Say you want to make your people see where you don't do rich. Now make you they show all this thing. But Mazi, believe me, keep some things. Maybe they keep some things until they're ripe, to they avoid all these type of things next time, so that you never can tell. When everything done ripe, you bring that come out, it go be shock to everybody. Then the office already open. Okay, it go come be shock to everybody. So now make me the talk say, it get some things when you go only discuss with the Biafra cabinet, the people where they inside the government. Then you leave the rest ones, because not be everything like the public go fit carry. So the most important thing when I could talk today be say, thank God say last Biafra flag don't rise up for the place, so as they see the video and as they bring the video and as I see the talker, Biafra flag don't rise up for that place for USA. And Biafra Prime Minister, they call on Pastor Emeka Livingstone, say make e go back, make e go make another video. Una know say me, I tell una say this matter will go follow am front and back. Front and back and middle. He don talk now say make una go make another video, make una go tell Biafrans whether una see Biafra flag for there or not. My people, this matter e don tie gele, but we dey inside the matter because nothing God no go fit do. As long as any of these freedom fighters mean well for Biafra, oh my goodness, their work no go be in vain. Unless na person wey no mean well for the people. Now so I talk and reach. But the bottom line of this matter is that Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Biafra spokesperson, and the Biafra Prime Minister issue the go-ahead to Pastor Emeka Livingstone to go and make another video where he made the first one. He understand more better that right now Biafra flag is there and everything is completed. So my Kabbalistic people, una think say me we dey wait for the response of Pastor Emeka Livingstone say he go make another video come. I been a waiting una dey feel. Make una not forget Pastor Emeka Livingstone, he promised to apologize. So if he go there say since everything don't work out well, say he go apologize, and I believe say he go apologize as a pastor. So now make because they bring some kind of evidence now. I bet make una share this video, make the world know say true the house or the apartment or the office of Biafra Republic government in exile na true, say na Biafra people na really rent am, because as e dey Biafra flag don stand, they don raise Biafra flag for the place. So how you think? Abeg do make una share this video, because una see the way that video take come out say the thing na lie. Make una see share this video, make dem see say Biafra flag don already dey there o. Say the thing not be the way that they drink water, not be so that they drink pepper. So thank you so much everyone. And if you know say you never subscribe to this platform, the good way you go do for me be say subscribe and make you share our video. Thank you so much and bye bye.